Let me go. Let me go to all the places where we talk, so we would like to go before. Let me go, let me see what you gonna do for me.
If you are interested in the world of music, you probably want to know the answer to the question, who is the richest musician in Nigeria? Of course, they are all talented, hardworking, and each of them has a unique style of performing. But only the best of the best is on top of this list.
So turn down the volume of your radio. The money when we don't see the audio.
First on our list is Flavour, coming in as number 10 with a net worth of $9.5 million. Chinedu Okoli, popularly known as Flavour, is a Nigerian singer who began as a church drummer. In 2014, his song Ada Ada was nominated for the Best Music Video Award.
And coming in at number 9, Peter Okoye and Paul Okoye with a total net worth of $10 million each. It is impossible to fail to mention the former popular duo P-Square, created by Peter and Paul Okoye. The brothers take the 9th place in the list and have the same net worth. Peter and Paul Okoye were born on November 18, 1981 in Jos, Plateau State. The brothers created the extremely popular band P-Square, which was one of the most famous duos in Nigeria until they decided to go separate ways. Paul Okoye now has a solo career just like his brother and is known under the stage name Rude Boy. Peter is building a career on his own too and has a lot of lucrative deals with Kia Motors and Olympic Milk. The brothers earn crazy amounts of money when they perform together. It was estimated they used to get a whopping $150,000 per concert in Africa and had a luxurious life. Among their possessions were a big mansion and a private jet. Today, they both appeared in the 9th position of rating and have only about $10 million each.
Baby, cool up one time, money got it and love me, I blem.
Coming in at number 8 on our list is Timaya with a total net worth of $10.5 million. This popular celebrity's real name is Enitimi Alfred Odom, and he was born in Port Harcourt, Rivers State on August 15, 1980. Timaya started his music career when he founded his music group, The Mama Soldiers. In 2005, he began his solo career and released his debut album called True Story. It was followed by the next album, Gift and Grace, in 2018. After the release of his third studio album titled The Rebirth, Timaya rose to international record albums and lots of singles. He is often called the dancehall king of Nigeria because he is the most popular artist in this genre.
Forget the info. Yeah, get the info one day. I'm for looking for one day. The government in London, a chicken info one day. Economy in a Bombay. That's the thing.
At number 7, Phyno, with a total net worth of $11 million. The musician's stage name, Phyno, means phenomenal. The singer is indeed a phenomenal personality because he has many talents and desires. The singer started his career in 2003 and even moved to Lagos for his careers. He has also acted as a producer for such well-known stars as Flavour, Timaya, Mr. Raw, and several others.
When I wake up, no be by my power. Oluwa look to show. I go down on my knees and I thank God.
At number 6, Olamide, with a total net worth of $12 million. Olamide Adedeji is known in Nigeria as Olamide. His other nicknames are Olamide Bado and Badosne. He is a rising superstar of the Nigerian hip-hop music genre. The singer was born on March 15, 1989 in Bariga, Lagos State. He is known for recording mostly in his native language, Yoruba. His career blossomed in 2010 when he released his single Eniduro, and in 2011 his album Rhapsody. The success story was followed by his second album YBNL, which featured a few singles that made Olamide popular in no time. Olamide became the first Nigerian celebrity to sign an endorsement deal with Ciroc. The rapper has 3 houses and several cars, including a Mercedes-Benz G-Class, Range Rover Sport, Range Rover V8, and a Toyota Camry. At number 5, 2Baba or Two Face, with a total net worth of $16 million. Uja Idibia, who is better known under his stage name Two Face and Two Baba, takes the 5th position on the list for the most successful and wealthiest Nigerian musicians. This talented man was born on September 18, 1975 in Jos.
You don't go out.
Coming in at number 4, Burna Boy, with an estimated net worth of $17 million. Damini Ogulu, commonly known as Burna Boy, is a popular Nigerian singer and songwriter. His 2012 track, Like to Party, propelled him to fame. In 2017, the singer signed with Bad Habits / Atlantic Records. The singer's net worth is currently estimated at $17 million. His income comes from the sale of music, endorsement deals, and other investments.
Oh yeah, gift. Put up the lights. Okay, that's it for a baby. Let's make some love tonight.
At number 3, Don Jazzy, with an estimated net worth of $18.5 million. Famous Nigerian producer and singer Don Jazzy became rich and famous due to his musical talent, persistence, and ability to interact with people. His real name is Michael Collins Ajere, and he was born on November 26, 1982 in Umuahia, Abia State. Don Jazzy is the founder of the record label Mo Hits Records. Don Jazzy and the band stopped working together in 2012, and Don Jazzy didn't waste time. He shortly announced that he created a new record label, Marvin Records. Aside from singing and producing, he also has profitable contracts with such companies as MTN and Royal Milk. Don Jazzy's net worth is estimated at $18.5 million today, and he possesses properties in Banana Island and several cars like the Porsche Carrera and a Bentley.
You know they give me the same energy. I give you my heart, my car, and property. Yeah.
Coming in at number 2, Davido, an estimated net worth of $19 million. Davido is the second richest musician in Nigeria. Davido's songs gather a crazy number of views on YouTube, and he also has a lot of endorsement deals with companies such as Axe and Infinity Mobility. Davido was born on November 21st, 1992 in Atlanta, United States, but his family is Nigerian. After the release of his debut album, Omo Babalowo, which featured some hit singles, Davido gained prominence in Nigeria and Africa. Since then, he has released countless singles which have brought him popularity, money, and international recognition. Davido owns many houses in the USA and several cars like the Porsche, Range Rover Sport, and Chevrolet Camaro. And coming in at number 1, Wizkid.
Blow down your trumpet, blow down your trumpet, blow, sample your.
With an estimated net worth of $20 million. Ayodeji Ibrahim Balogun, better known as Wizkid, used to be a simple boy who adored singing and had enough talent and passion for music recording. He was born in Surulere in Lagos State on July 6, 1990. He released a collaboration album at the age of 11 with a group of Glorious Five, which was formed by him and his friends in church. He is also known as Starboy and Lil Fin. He gained popularity with the release of Holla at Your Boy, the song from his debut album Superstar in 2010. Later, he released 3 mega successes as well as 1 compilation album and even recorded a hit song, One Dance, with famous music performer Drake. This song appeared in Guinness Book of Records. Therefore, Wizkid became the first Afrobeat musician whose name was recorded in this book. He also has a lot of endorsement deals with such companies as Glo and Pepsi. Wizkid has managed to earn an impressive $20 million to buy 2 houses in Nigeria and USA, along with a Porsche Panamera, Mercedes-Benz, and BMW X6. Hopefully, you have found the answer to the question, who is the richest musician in Nigeria? Make sure you subscribe and hit the notification button for more videos like this.